made a video about UNISA, and I want to correct something. Actually, I don't know if I'm correcting or I'm educating people. I only correct my equals. I only correct my contemporaries. All others I teach. I often hear people here on social media. I don't know. Sometimes they think that they are throwing that as an insult. He's a graduate from the UNISA or a lawyer say UNISA. And those people, they've never been to school. They've never attended a lecture. And I'm not talking about our bachelor's entrance. Mina ngikhuluma ngabantu mfethu, you know. Abathola ama-exemptions. Kutsho umuntu ongana degree. Now go Facebook, you go to Facebook. The last time I was on Facebook, before they banned me, you see someone writing UNISA. And this is a person who's been having babies year after year, you know, never completed matric. You know, it's amazing, you know, when people saying, you lawyer say UNISA produced the best. Best of the best, Yodikang Musenekes. All these judges, Owabona namhlanje, baphume UNISA. Mandela, baphume UNISA. All these jurists from the past, they're from UNISA. Let me tell you about UNISA. UNISA, you know, back in the days when you told your school teachers, good to know, you're going to study in the UNISA, yo, my child, UNISA, you know, it's for people who are ready. Why don't you go to Wits? We are somewhere about Fort Hare. You know, UNISA back in the days, when you came, you know, and I don't even want to mention your Bush universities. You know, these universities that didn't have white people inside. Yes, they didn't have white people. Bongo, Unibo, Fort Hare, University of Western Cape. You know, all these universities as in Jalo. You know, when you came to UNISA, you started all over again. Even if you left your Bush University with 2 courses, 2 modules to finish, Mofika UNISA, they would tell you, Guti, they don't recognize your courses because your standard is low where you come from. Even if you were from Rao, UJ later, they would tell you, Guti, you know what, you are at 30-year level or 4th-year level. The least that you could do, you started first year, they would credit you for first year, some courses. I don't mention VET, the law degree as a VET, BA, law, or whatever that they had back then, before LLB was introduced as a compulsory for undergraduate. In fact, then I was psychology, English, it didn't have legal subject. You had to catch up also in the LLB, which was post, you know, graduation, honors. Mobuya e UNISA, in fact, you were the best, the most sought after because they recognize the fact that you studied on your own. It's only later when our students saying no, they must introduce semester courses. Abomshengu, Bomuzi, Bonango, you know, Bonkosi, all these guys who were active with SASCOs, you know, Sambanabo. UNISA punishing us. For BProc, you had to do 19 courses, 17 and 2 half courses. A half course is an equivalent of a module. They divided every course, making it up to 40 something. We thought it was going to be easier because you wanted a semester, Sivale, you know, half a semester, whatever, you know. But UNISA, they change, punishing us. UNISA, it was at a level, Yabo Fort Hare. Not Fort Hare, man. Fort Hare was a Bush University. Fort Hare, even if you came from, you know, Tekis, University of Natal, UCT, Rhodes, UNISA, Fetu, didn't recognize you. Didn't recognize your degree. Mobuyaboma Vista, you coming with BProc, BUris, which is always a honors. But no, you can't proceed to honors. You must go at least a second year. That's how tough UNISA was before the invasion Katabombeki. Introducing Amakwerekwere, La Payabo Kuto, at the African University. Then you started to hear scandals, you know, of ghost writers, people selling question papers. That was UNISA, Abo Vehers. The doctors, legit doctors, not these things where politics, where people, abanye, they're buying PhDs. That was UNISA. Berita nabo Harvard, Oxford. Berita nabo Oxford, Harvard, UNISA. It was in the top 5 in the world. In Africa, bokuba number 1, UNISA. Abo vets bebeza ngasemuva. So most umuntu athi no, hey, you graduate as a UNISA. It's because you've never been to university. That's how tough UNISA was. A UNISA maqede nge record time. Ayi boyingwenya mfethu. Boyingwenya. Bebakushanga boma, half a mark, supplementary exam, December mfethu. Uyaswata, uyafunda, uyabhala January. And mfethu izokubuyela. That was a UNISA. So umuntu athi, hayi, what do you expect to graduate as a UNISA? Mobuya vets coming to a UNISA. You started all over again. That's why everybody was surprised when Khanyi Dlomo left vets, but bekafailile vets. Makafika UNISA tukutuku, second degree. Abanye bathi it's because of your father. UNISA mfethu, basini matras. The status ukuthi uzofunda ama question paper uphase. Mfethu, you had to know a UNISA. Then ke songayenza ama question paper. That was the UNISA. Mobuya kule ikolo lezi ezinye. Including vets, you started a UNISA. You didn't have a degree. They would not recognize your qualifications. There are people who did the LLB. Asuka kwenye university athi ngine LLB ngiphume Venda, ngiphuma somewhere university of Umthatha or whatever. Mawufika UNISA but no, you don't have a degree. You started all over again. That was a UNISA. The standards as a UNISA bisiso before kufika amagrigamba. So sometimes nokuza umuntu athi no, as a UNISA. Check ama graduate as a UNISA. UNISA be compete mfethu. Nabo Harvard, bo Oxford. Be lay top before ANC took over. Before ANC took over. That was UNISA. Bongangena ngeni nje laphaya. The only exception but mona 23 yabona bakwenzela exemption nakhona mfethu kukuthi serious. Hayi lento yeni ama bachelors. 20 exemption higher grade. Ukuthi ongene UNISA. Bebakutshela na ukuthi mfethu UNISA yabantu mfethu ase bahluzekile la. Mfethu people who are serious in life. Bonga phasa UNISA. Standards as a UNISA. I checked the other day. Masters Kandlozi, ye labor, as a vet. I even told my course supervisor when I was doing my masters, he would not pass a UNISA, not this masters. That's how strict they were. If you check my thesis, dissertations, what's a UNISA? Maybe now, Zimbabweans, because they colonize space. Once they put one foreigner, they employ each other and they recruit from all these guys. And they've got dubious qualifications that are suspect. But me not telling you, UNISA, Mobuya, from your Bush universities, what Teflop, Bostlogelo Technicon. They would tell you, we don't recognize your paper. You started all over again. Everything was top notch. Yeah. Maybe Gwamanyama field, where other institutions did better. Maybe go medicine, because at that time they didn't have full-time labs, because it was part-time, distant learning. La iSoweto, bofunda ngepos. Lapha eVista isesedlamini, somewhere the eVista yaza la. Ngasebhara mophuma eVista hayi bafethu ubuze mongazi ubuze umuntu nje umuntu wakhona ifail pop, you've never been to school, you can't spell, we use the auto spelling. Thina besithuna bo practice Afrikaans. Mina I did practice Afrikaans UNISA ngifunda ngedictionary mfethu bunzima, but no, you have to start in Afrikaans, it's compulsory. By keep Afrikaans go by English. That was UNISA. So uzumuntu athi I standards as a UNISA siphansi. You don't know UNISA. You don't know UNISA, doc.